What's up, everybody? No audio. Well, I guess it's considered an audio issue if I broadcast it. If I broadcast my breathing everywhere. Welcome to the TBS couch. We're gonna do a really quick update today, or a product launch, and quickly talk about this little thing here, the TinyWhoop Nano. It's a collaboration between TBS and Jesse Perkins, TinyWhoop.com. He's already announced it, so he had like a 2-hour head start. Unfortunately, I was a little bit busy at lunch with another really interesting person. I'm not going to talk about it, but yeah, anyway. So here we are. It's Saturday afternoon, and I don't really want to like do a live demo or whatever. We're going to do that on Monday when Wayne is here. Like, Wayne is our resident TinyWhoop pilot, but I'm really excited to now announce the TinyWhoop Nano today. It's a project that we've been working on for quite some time, and like evidence of that is it's FreeSky compatible. So you know how long that took. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing with you today and show a couple of the main features. Talk about some of the pretty cool stuff that's in it, and it's on pre-order right now. It ships out Monday, and most of the dealers will have them on Wednesday. So TinyWhoop and TBS will start shipping on Monday, I believe. And everybody, like all of the dealers, will start shipping on Wednesday. So it's a pre-order right now. Get it for as long as they're available. There's quite a bit of shortage. So yeah, anyway, let me go through it real quick. So it's not a lot smaller, but it is significantly smaller than the current standard TinyWhoop. And this is really something that we wanted to do. Like, there has been a lot of innovation, obviously, in the brushless space, but not a lot of people have really looked hard into making brushed quadcopters great again. So we looked into the things that were missing. One of the things that I found, or that Jesse found was missing, or we both found that were missing, were the turtle mode, right? Hang on, this camera keeps focusing. It doesn't need to. It's kind of annoying. Let me just quickly fix that for you so that you can actually look at it calmly without figure video, focus. No, not autofocus. All right, perfect focus. There we go. And it'll be fixed. Okay. So, turtle mode. So this is, I think, the major innovation in this space. This is a brush. I think it's the first FPV brushed quadcopter that can do turtle mode. The size is 55 millimeters. So it's a lot smaller than the standard 65 or 75 millimeters. 65 to 55 is probably about 20%. So it's 20% smaller. That means everything around you is 20% bigger, right? Like to me, that's the key message here. Like, your entire environment just got a lot bigger. It's super fun to fly around the office. It's not dangerous at all. It's even lighter than the stock TinyWhoop, but it's the same speed with the standard motors. And it can do 0617 motors, which absolutely light this thing on fire. It has the standard Unify Pro Nano VTX inside and the TBS Tiny camera. So it's all high quality equipment, all standard off-the-shelf components except for the flight controller and obviously the canopy and the frame. So yeah, I think I can take off can I take it off with my hands? Let me see. Usually we use pliers for this, or like little tweezers. Obviously I didn't bring them because there we go. So if we open this thing up, you can see here the Nano VTX, the camera, everything is super tight, and it's kind of held in place here on the frame. The frame itself is a kind of a flexible plastic, but not flexible enough to bend in the air, but that makes it super durable. It comes with most of the standard features that you know about, but this little thing here indicates that these are not just your regular voltage dividers. These are actually H bridges, is what they're called. So these will allow you to flip back upright, aka turtle mode. It comes with 2 spare canopies. Spare propellers. Put that here. 1 battery. TBS graphene 1S 260 milliamps. It comes with a USB charger as well, for those of you that are just getting into this. And this is the PNP set. It's pre-configured to 6 channels, so it's a really, really easy to set up and easy to race with your friends. So maybe I'll talk about this real quick. We have a remote control. I mean, obviously you guys will be familiar with this. It's the King Kong X8, but it's customized. So you can see here there's an arming indicator, a flight mode indicator, and a VTX channel indicator. Okay? So you can change the VTX channel from here, and you can change it between 6 standardized channels that IB Crazy figured out for us to give you the best IMD-free performance. And obviously you can change that to the regular, like 20, via stick commands you can reach 25 channels, but the VTX itself can do all of the, I think it's 37 channels that you are familiar with. Let me just quickly see if there are some more questions. Inductrix has meow mode like turtle, okay. Is that the brushed version? I'm not really sure about that. So this is, the price is $100 for the bind and fly, and it binds with a FreeSky D16 telemetry enabled radio control. It's an official FreeSky receiver inside, so it will work with, I don't know, I guess it will work with the new updates. 6 can fly together, yes. And this is the brushed version. Yeah, the flight time is about 4 minutes to 5 minutes. It's super fast because it's super light. It's only 18 grams dry like this without the battery, so it's with the canopy obviously. So it's about 2 grams lighter than your standard Tiny Whoop. Paul, yes. So this is $100 for this. With the remote control, it's $130. And with goggles, it's $160 or $69. I'm not quite sure. Please check the website. Oh yeah, so okay, so Jesse mentioned Inductrix Plus can turtle by pitching forward only. This can turtle into all directions. And I don't know, I've never flown an Inductrix before, except for like Inductrix Plus. I've flown an Inductrix. Mode 3 compatible control. This one here isn't. This here is mode 2, but you can bind it to your mode 3 radio any problems. It works with the Tango Bjorn if you have the XJT. Obviously I only fly Tango, so I have an XJT module that I use, and it works beautifully. Yeah, that's pretty much it, I guess. For the product release, there is no crossfire inside. This is too small. Okay. I mean, I don't have incredibly large hands, but this is a really small package. It's the smallest package we could fit it. It's so small that the battery had to be fitted vertically. Okay. That's how small it is. And that makes it more durable, it makes it lighter, it makes your environment bigger, you can shoot tighter gaps, it makes it way more fun. There is something that is a little bit special on this device. People who have the TBS Agent X, they can plug this into the TBS Agent X and configure the flight controller. So that gives you an indication that there's no beta flight on it, There is no Inductrix FC on it. It's a TBS proprietary flight controller software, and yeah, there's some exciting news obviously about that coming in the near future. We have chosen to release this first on the TinyWhoop, just because that was the application that we first envisioned for it. Who knows? We might be making it available for 5-inch quads in the near future. If there are any questions about this, please let me know in the comments, or visit us in the TBS Lounge after this live stream. I'll be happy to take your or to answer them. Jesse is probably going to do a live stream tomorrow and really formally introduce this on the TinyWhoop page. So please join the TinyWhoop group. It's the largest FPV group. They're super helpful. There's awesome customizations and all of this. What else should I talk about? Oh yeah, okay, so on Monday, when I come back to work on Monday, we're gonna be flying, we're gonna be doing a little bit of a tour around the lunchroom here, and fly this with, like I said, with resident TinyWhoop pilot Wayne. And I guess that's it. Well, check out the website, have a look, let us know what you think. Kyle said that there's no Betaflight. There is Betaflight. You can install Betaflight on it if you want to. Nobody's stopping you. There's a Betaflight target for it. It's all written in the manual, I hope, or the manual will be. Manual is a work in progress, but we'll complete it probably by Monday, and there will be instructions there on how to flash Betaflight for it. But Jesse and I have been working really hard on this. It's actually written by some of the top Betaflight developers, but completely rewritten in a different programming language. I guess notable mention and big thank you for Jason Blackman, who worked pretty much for the most of the code, and what else? Yeah, so sorry, for the performance on the new flight controller code, the angle mode has been, we've been working with Jesse for, I think for the last 3 months, legitimately for 3 months, to perfect the angle mode to the point where it's super snappy and it just feels great. That's all I can say. I'm not going to say it's better or worse or anything, whatever. So this is the BNF version. We have a PNP version, which comes only with the remote control, and we have an RTF version, which comes with remote control and goggles. Out of the box, again, this is 6 channels on the VTX only, but you can go into the TBS H&X and configure it to 25 channels. The way that you will set the channels is basically with the stick command. So you will, hang on, let me get this remote control out here and show this to you really quickly. So you can change it, basically you push here the VTX channel button. This is how you change the modes. And if you have a custom flight controller, you basically assign a 2-position switch to the VTX channel where you enable a switching mode, and then you use stick commands like race band is, I think race band is left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So race band 3, boom, there you go. That's how you set the channel. You let go, you flick the switch again, and it doesn't change the channel on you anymore. All right, timeline for Diversity RX Nano adapter. Whoa, okay, that's a completely random question. It's in production. I don't know, a week, 2, 3, who knows, right? But it's in production. All right, cool. Thanks everybody for watching. I'm gonna end it here today because I gotta get going. As always, please join the Team Black Sheep Lounge on Facebook. If you have any questions, comments, whatever, please let us know. And I guess that's it. See you guys on Monday where we do a live stream. Check out Jesse's live stream tomorrow about the TinyWhoop Nano. If you want to pre-order, most of the dealers will probably put their ordering page up as soon as they see my live stream. Pre-order ship out latest Wednesday. All right, cool. Thank you. Have a great day. Peace out. Sorry, I forgot something. Let me just pull the full camera up here. All right, cool. Okay, so there's a couple of questions coming in that I will be answering in a second. I completely forgot we have 5 winners for our Unify HV MMCX SE giveaway. The 5 winners are Javier, Martin, LNGBD, Samuel Bernard, Luke Turner, and Ben Oakes. Congratulations. Contact Wayne. You have been tagged in a post. You can also respond in a post. Contact Wayne, and he will get those VTX sent out on Monday. All right. The questions. When is this getting released? This is the release. So right now. It's right now. You can go to the website. You can buy it. It will ship out latest Wednesday. Normal OSD. There is no OSD on it. It's way too small for an OSD. Does the flight controller fit into a standard whoop? No, it doesn't. It's way smaller. Okay, this is about half the size. This flight controller is about half the size of a standard Inductrix. I'll look into the Nano and definitely the firmware. Thank you very much. Yeah, please have a look. Please test it out. Let us know how you like the firmware. I'm super excited about this. Yeah, there's cool things in the future. When are you going to have the steel motors in stock? They should already be in stock. I'll have to check. I know we received some this week, but as always, steel motors are in high demand. Maybe we didn't have enough to cover all of the back orders, but they should be coming in very, very frequently. So just place your order. It might take a week or two, but they should be in stock pretty soon. All right, I think that covers everything. Again, congratulations to all the winners, and see you guys on Monday with the test flight. I can't wait to fly this thing. It's going to be awesome. All right, see you guys. Bye.